In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any OBJ file to GLB format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type OBJ to GLB MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the OBJ to GLB converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your OBJ file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted GLB file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted OBJ to GLB in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.